What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Gotti's Garage. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps my videos with YouTube's algorithm to get out there, and more views equals more ways that I can make content. Before we start today's video, one word from our sponsor, me, which is www.gottisgarage1.com. Today's video is sponsored by GottisGarage1.com. Go visit our website if you want to pick up any Gotti's Garage or Michigan car scene merch. All proceeds is going to go back into the channel to help on future builds, including this GSR build right here. So I made this shirt to hopefully help fund the GSR build. That's just a cool little like cartoon GSR engine right there. This is all on GottisGarage1.com. We got shirts like Wrecked, Built Shitbox, Mistake, Built to Rip, Gotti's Garage, Gotti's Garage. I actually have a Gotti's Garage hoodie. We also have the Ram stability control bypass harnesses on this website, as well as if you're a Michigan car scene member, we have Michigan car scene t-shirts, stickers. So right here we have the Gotti's Garage hoodie. Very good quality. The hoodie is very, very nice. It's soft inside. It keeps you really warm actually. And on the back side, so on the back side, running down on the right, we have Stay Different. So we also have like Michigan car scene hoodies that I have now, and then I do have a Gotti's Garage, which is embroidered Gotti's Garage on the right side of the jacket. And like I said, every single dollar that I make off of this is going to go right back into the channels. So I'm proud to be my own sponsor for my channel. And if you guys can, make sure you go check out www.gottisgarage1.com. Now let's get back to the video. All right, guys, like the title states on this video, this is going to be YouTube's cheapest GSR B18C1 build. I'm pretty excited for this build. I built a single cam Honda about 2 years ago, and I blew it up, lost interest in it, and kind of just sold it and sold all the parts off it and everything. But actually I regret that, because even though I got to see the final product, I had the car legal for 1 day on the road, and I blew it up on the 1 day, so I didn't really get to actually enjoy it other than a few rips. I want to apologize in advance for how messy the garage is. It's been extremely cold. But here is our GSR engine. As you can tell, it needs a hone. It has some little surface rust inside the block, but no pits or anything like that. The block is relatively clean. It did come from a machine shop, and it was just set on a shelf after that. So I am going to be painting this. I'm not going to tell you what exactly right now, but if you guys want to leave down some comments below on what color you think I should paint this. I'm going with a black coupe, EK coupe. And I'm doing an EK because I have a lot of parts for an EK. But this engine was $70. So obviously we just have the bottom end right now. It is torn apart. We got pistons. We got all 4 pistons. We got the rod caps. The main caps. We got the girdle. Got the crank. We got all the bolts. We're replacing a lot of the bolts though. And then I also have a hookup for the oil pan, the baffle, and pickup tubes, all that stuff. The back water neck, I got all that. As this video states, this is going to be YouTube's cheapest GSR build. I'm going to try with the car and everything, try to keep it about $1,000. And that's going to be the transmission, that's going to be everything. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to make sure in every single video I'll put down like the cost of things. But we're going to keep it extremely cheap, like I said. So I do have a sponsor for this build already, and it's Max Speeding Rods. And they are sending over a turbo. It's actually in the mail right now. So the next video you guys will be seeing would be the turbo that we were using for this engine application. I was going to do rods through Max Speeding Rods. They have some, I think they're either H or I-beam rods. And I think they were good for like 700 or 800 horsepower. But that kind of defeats the purpose of budget, because you can get the GSR block, and from the forums I was reading, a stock block, like stock bottom end, that's rods and pistons, it made like 495 or something like that. I don't know if that's reliable or not, but it did make that number. So that's what we're going to be going for. I'm shooting around a 300, 350-ish. Everything I said is going to be budget as possible. We'll probably get like Hunter tuned injectors, and we're going to be running E85 because as the cheap part is, you know, like you can get E85 compatible stuff all over eBay and stuff now, and plus E85 is a lot cheaper than gasoline. Gas is like $2.80 here. For that's like what? That's 87, and E85 is $1.99. So we're gonna be going that route. But there is going to be some sponsored, but everything that is sponsored is through Max Speeding Rods, and it is cheap. So the turbocharger I got is $120. You can probably find it cheaper maybe, but I figured a brand new turbocharger, that's a pretty good deal, and it's on its way now. Also, I have main rod bearings on the way too. I have new piston rings for the stock 81mm GSR pistons. And I have ring pliers on the way too. This is all from eBay, and I'll show you guys the prices on those in the next video. It's really cold today, but this week it's supposed to be in the 60s, so I think we're gonna start making a video then on assembling at least the bottom end of this. We're gonna get the hone. I ordered a hone too, just a cheap eBay one. It's I don't know if we should include that in the price of the engine. Let me know down below if you guys think you want me to include all the tools and stuff that I had to buy too for that. For watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you're looking forward to this, make sure you hit that little bell icon and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Like, please subscribe. By the end of this year, my goal is to hit 5,000 subscribers, and the way things are going right now, I believe that it's actually a pretty soft goal. It should be easy to hit, but I'm still going to stick with 5,000 because I don't want to dream too big. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and next week we are going to be starting to assembly build, and we're going to clean this block up. Might paint it, might not. You guys let me know in the bottom. I have a paint color in mind already, but that's also going to add to the expense of the engine. So thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. Stay different, and make sure you check out www.GottysGarage1.com.